Good morning, Mustangs. This is Miss Marshall, and today we're going to recap in our unit plan about our word problems. Math, math, math. So the purpose of this storyboard is to inform you guys about key terms that are going to be used to solve word problems. I know we've been learning a great deal about word problems, so I'm going to recap a few important math facts that are needed to solve addition word problems. When we begin talking about our word problems, there's a few steps that we need to discuss so everyone will understand how to apply math in a situation. When you have a word problem, the first thing you want to do is read that word problem. Then you want to identify the question is being asked. It's important to find out the information that you're going to need in order to be able to solve a problem. Then we're going to write an equation in which our word problems are being catered to addition. So we're going to write an equation for addition. Then we're going to solve the equation and we're going to answer it using addition words. Now you may be thinking, what is solving word problems with addition? Well, it's as simple. And addition is finding the sum or total by combining two or more numbers. Now let's get ready to put our thinking caps on. And we're going to go over words that will be used to solve addition word problems. When you think about adding, I want you to think about words like total, sum, plus, add, altogether, increase, and more. These are words that simply mean to add. Like the stars, math is all around us. When used with the correct procedures, any problem can be solved. Word problems help us to use application techniques, and it is also a tool that is used to find the total needed to solve the word problem.